I definitely, I think we're going to work together, either live in person or virtually.
Okay.
I like this, and I like to be tied the festival or the organization to be tied to something very important or significant.
I'm a producer at heart, but I'm also a storyteller. And what I got from you here was a really interesting way of looking visually from painting of the masters through cinematography of masters.
I like the fact that we're offering the filmmakers um, something that they're going to learn from and walk away with, a better understanding of anything, right? Um, so, and the images that you chose, they were, captivating images. I personally enjoyed it, and I think that the more we offer the filmmakers, and the better.
Certainly, what you were showing me, I will certainly be much more attentive to those kinds of things as I watch a film than I was before. So that does mean I will not watch the film the same way.
This kind of opportunity sounds to me very appealing. I think it would be a really good fit. I think. I mean, I personally, I love this kind of stuff, and I can guarantee that if we can come to an arrangement and you present in November, either in person or virtually, I will be among I'll be among those